Whoa, yeah, yeah, whoa, 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 whoa. All back in Wakan, I be bending trying to hit the sun. Tripping the gun, tripping my nigga with sons. Woo! 1 cool PM. It's your boy, Sigil, I got the Sigil. Yeah, aka Fox the Music Name, man, you know what it is, man. And right here with me today, I'm with my brother. Danger, Gafar. Danger smart, you smell me. Walk on my brother, walk on.
Yeah, boy.
You good, gang?
Yes, sir.
What's poppin',
my boy?
What's poppin', my brother?
Akukho
We're still
siyaphusha
Right here, we're doing it again.
everything mfana sesibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi it's another day.
Yeah, brother.
Akukho kubi
Yeah.
impilo kuphela
Yakufila ntwana.
siyabonga.
Exactly.
Other than lokho hayi asiphushe nje ayami.
Asibonga yena
Asiphushe,
umdali,
sibonge yena umdali, you know.
Lo sithi danke impilo,
Danko
danke
siyabonga.
imali. Uyabona?
Yabo.
As long as kuya phambili ntwana yami.
We are moving forward.
Danko. You smell me.
Yeah, boy.
Anyway, it's been a busy week, my brother.
Gabi.
You smell me? It's been a busy week. It's been a busy week. Iskupusa shisa sitipe.
Gabi.
You smell me?
Gabi.
Iskupusa shisa sitipe.
Abba mafaya extinguisher. Abi.
Yo, you know, as I open my phone like this, you know, there's something that I actually wanted to show you. You know, there's this funny ass videos that I actually come across like on Instagram, bro. Like I wanna show you this video, like I couldn't like hold it to myself, so I actually wanna show you. For what do you think about the pan of the situation on this video? You smell me? Before we go anywhere, you smell me? Let me show you this video, dog. Like these videos are hella funny, dog. Like sometimes you come across such videos and you be asking yourself, like, what the fuck, dog? You smell? Like, yo,
they'll
like,
be spoiling your emotions,
crazy,
my boy.
Okay, yeah, here's the video. Let me show you.
What's your secret to success in life?
I don't argue with people who don't want to listen. I just tell them they're right.
That's ridiculous.
You're right.
That's ridiculous.
Like the bruise, like, exactly.
You're right.
You're right.
I don't argue with people.
So I see these videos, bro. Like I'll be looking at it, like, bro, think about it. Such a young child with such intellect
is able to comprehend the situation.
Yeah.
It's like
Ugutina, like he wouldn't mind like a useless situation for him. Like,
yeah.
like
that thing is pointless to me. I wouldn't entertain it.
Like at that age, bro. At that age, think about it, fam. Think about it, fam. Like it's kind of crazy on the internet, like how people are growing right now. Like this generation is kind of like these kids are growing fast, gang.
Hey,
these kids are growing fast, gang.
They're very different from us.
You understand?
They're very different from us.
But then, is it a good thing for the advanced growing of kids, or is it like
it has its pros and cons, my boy? It has its pros and cons. Cause manje siyazi ukuthi disrespect high level.
Yeah, true.
Ngabe nje sesihlangana kambe qinisa kufaka induku. So right now we are not even allowed ukuthi hey,
they know too much.
Mfana.
Yeah. Baba bazi kakhulu kunaku, like they know too good.
Too good to be true.
Yeah.
Lento
lebazi they know too much. They know they're not supposed to be knowing.
They know hell stuff. It is mskati. But bana sure. Bayazi ukuthi internet bayisebenzisa kanjani. They know how to use internet.
Like they are quite 100%.
They know how to use internet.
They are quite 100% about it, just remember. But anyway, as we were beginning the episode, you smell me. Welcome back to the Safe From Par, where we're gonna be giving you the hardest scoop of every week of the fashion, the music, the everything in your entertainment industry. You smell me. So just make sure you stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment. You know, man. Share with your friends and family. You smell me?
Yeah.
But we appreciate your support, guys. By the way, you smell me? For the support. But anyway, let's get to the Tuesday again.
Yeah.
It's been a busy week, bro. There's one thing that I'm gonna tell you about this week. This week has been that week of recognition.
Yeah.
The week of comeback. You smell me?
Okay.
The week of reward. The week of retribution. You smell me? You smell me? Let me preach.
Yeah.
Let me preach. Yamada, you smell me? So, my brother.
Yeah.
Michael B. Jordan.
Okay.
In the movie industry, you understand me? Like in the past week, he has been the biggest talk. He's been like number one guy that you will see on your algorithm day in, day out. Like he bagged like more than one award.
Yeah.
From like different sets of
moves. Like he's too good to be true.
Yeah.
AI. Perfectiwe liyamshishi mfethu.
You know if there's one thing I would say talk about Michael B. Jordan, is that bro like that, bro, is those people who are like tremendously like deeply like dedicated into what they
he's always in the zone.
Understand? Like,
get the bag, get the dream.
They are actually like invested in what they do. You understand? They are invested in what they do. So dog, with that being said, the brew, like he has done a lot for the entertainment industry. He has done a lot for the movie industry. Wait a minute, dog.
He's been clapping them.
I have a question of curiosity. Is Michael B. Jordan just an actor, or he's also a musician or some shit, bro? I feel like I've heard him sing or something.
You wouldn't know, because there are shows where he's in it, like Guma shows, like who's that singer? He was once in that. He did sing. I wouldn't know. Judging by my side, I don't know. Since he hasn't told us himself, I'm capable of doing this and doing this and doing that. Not just acting, not just doing this only. I don't know.
But his achievement has earned like a lot of recognition in the past weeks. Like
big time.
So like in the past weeks, Michael B. Jordan has been like the big deal.
If you're a fan of
getting his flowers,
action movies,
that's what I would say. Actually,
you will have this thing. Who's that dark skinned dude who's doing something?
Exactly, dog.
I've seen him in this movie. I've seen him in that movie. Who is he?
But bro, I feel like he's been doing it like bro for
consistently,
bro. He's been doing it for like a lot.
Michael Jordan, when he move laboti. He lagged. Disappointed me.
Nah, dog. He's always like top tier. 100%.
We great.
You smell that one like
without remorse.
100%.
Everything
is always delivery. You understand? But anyway, man, the 2026 NAACP Image Awards. Michael B. Jordan is the headliner, wins the Entertainer of the Year for his dual performance in the movie Sinners. Bro, like I haven't watched the full movie, but I saw the trailer, like 2 trailers, and I saw this other clip where they show like the best parts of the movie. Like first, I would like to say well scripted, number one. The movie is actually like directed by the director of Black Panther and Creed.
Yeah, all right.
Understand? Yeah,
he's real.
Like dog. Like the movie is dope. You understand? Based on the 1990s, I would say, or
18, my bro.
Damn.
Shy move. I've seen the movie.
You've watched the movie, my bro.
Shy Wentanga. There's a lot to uncover, Lapayan, because you don't know what's gonna happen next.
Sure.
Yeah. These people were so back in the modern days, where black people ain't supposed to be rich. labajita laba they black wena
yeah.
sayivala leyo case sayivala leyo generation.
Sure.
Yeah, so figure out we market, we're gonna rule this market.
Yeah,
if
man.
ever we have to be known as the bad twins, the bad twins who are killing every motherfucker in this island, we have to be known by that.
Basa spy majita dog.
Abadlali.
Benzi
You
into
mess
ya.
with the but you mess with the twins, you mess with hell.
Damn.
Because you smoke no stack. Nanoma kuthiwa ubani.
Yeah.
Their fear in a community. Then if you move towards the story sabo, asikho ngabe story. Sing about this guy abamthatha their cousin. Uyi preacher's son. Preacher's son is able to play guitar.
Sure.
The story is how Munyo Mataima who was once approached by the devil and he signed a deal to be the greatest singer, the greatest guitarist in the whole world. So the story is about him. Cousin ya stack and smoke. Those niggas are dominating we industry mfana. Hey, nanga pabat wazada kazo. Come here. Bless us with your voice, cousin. Mabahamba in a trip to a cousin. Bless us. That guy can sing. Cousin Wab.
Sure. So on the trailer, it was the cousin that I saw him playing a guitar in a bar or something.
That's the cousin.
In the middle, where you see the both twins. The brothers, the other one is on the left side, and the other one is like, is that the entrance or something?
Yeah, we
like
entrance. Smoking a cigar. Queen.
Yeah, exactly, bro. Like I saw the trailer, like it's very dope, and that long clip that was a combination of the best parts.
Yeah,
like it's actually a dope movie.
Since
I feel like the brew actually 100% he deserves it.
Yeah,
you understand?
When I'm bigger in a picture, you're familiar with I'm a vampire. We are Maz on the Klaus, eh?
My favorite guy.
You familiar with this into Vampire Diaries? You're familiar with this into Teen Wolf? So it's based on the uncover of his story of Ama Undead, yabo.
Sure.
Because somehow one of the twins who yalunya who by Sloan ushintsha abe uClaus somehow.
Unamana
ngoba ngisho ukuthi the story.
So you would say like okay, fine, sharp. Let me ask you this question. I know it might be a little bit tricky, but from your perception of watching the movie, like how would you describe the movie? Like why would you say they like gave it the name Sinners? What makes it Sinners?
Because there are a lot of sins. Every sin killing is there.
Sure.
Okay, let's go back to a Bible, man. Or whenever you sin, it's based on lento yokuthi you are unable to forgive gogunye you are unable to go back to the Lord uthi say, Lord, I come to you nan. So laphayana kwenzekala izinto zokuthi everybody's trying to live. They don't care about impilo yokuthi are we surviving, are we getting lento yokuthi are we doing everything righteously, to be precise. So la we're doing nanoma yini as long as sizokwazi uqualify empilweni. La singabantu abamnyama, we've been poor for a while, so we're doing anything to dominate the white. We're creating bars, we're creating booze, we're doing nanoma yini, we're hosting each and every week we're hosting music events, we're hosting dance competition. Each and every week in Danga we are bringing someone new who is a legend, who is an artist or good performer and white as a fool.
And then let me guess, blacks has to be the ones who like get the spotlight.
Steak and smoky bone about dominator to the industry in Danga, but we end up making it about well known.
Yeah.
So figure out okay, to our area Free State. Ipindawo ngathi is well known. Nanoma ICP student or nanoma muphi umuntu othi I've never been there but I've heard the name.
Yeah.
Ipindawo no issue from your perspective.
A
place that is well known by anybody, no matter you've been there. Bafika steak and smoke, bafika baphathira and shine. Just like that. Done. Bafika bayikhande bayiphathe.
So
from a base bayikhande bayiphathe. And everybody uba nalento ukuthi I'm well known ukuthi you've been here, my boy. Where have you been? Labachita bayasho ukuthi we've been trying to figure it impilo ukuthi kwenzakalani. Benza kanjalo. Babuya aroundini ababephila kuyo. Yeah, sasiphila la sahamba sobheka impilo eJoes. Siyabuya ke manje la. So shy rise and shine. We're gonna make it pop. Everybody's here. Everybody's allowed except the whites. Kanjalo.
Whites are excluded.
Yeah, baba
Damn.
excluded based on ukuthi there was a democracy. Ngivela nama whites were excluding ama blacks.
Yeah.
These people they came up with the fashion.
Yeah.
Attending a nightclub wearing a three-piece suit, my boy.
Damn.
Attending a club, yabo. Now, laphana bafike bethu bakukhombisa ukuthi life was better before everything was upside down kahle kahle. Singaka achieve izinto zokuthi blacks have this light and spark and we need to take it from them. Ama Germans nama Jewish engakakuboni lokho. Kusaphilwa leyo mpilo le. Uthi na labantu laba bathola ispace esincane sokuthi bathi nje pop azikwazi ukubavumela. So they saw big then good nah labantu laba they have a spark. Anything they touch it claims mfana ibe light. So nje yeah it was based on lokho.
Damn, man, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. It sounds like a dope movie. I need to actually watch it.
You need
You
to.
understand?
You need to.
I need to
you
watch
need
it.
to.
I
Laphana
need to
ngizokutshela
watch
ukuthi
it.
since you like listening to some of vampires and whatsoever, you have this familiarity ukuthi what if vele it begins there?
Yeah.
What if? Because you get the claims and thing. Isn't all you've seen go Nick Klaus.
It's called Alapaya.
Yeah.
So let me delve into into the article from the BET about Michael B. Jordan's win. You understand? So they say the 2026.
Yeah.
They say the 2026 Image Awards. Michael B. Jordan wins the Entertainer of the Year for his dual performance. Presented by Toyota. Michael B. Jordan 2026 Entertainer of the Year victory honors his powerful and complex work in Ryan Coogler's Sinners. You understand?
Yeah.
Michael B.
Yeah.
Jordan has been the face of the blockbusters. He's been the architect behind the ambitious film projects. He delivered physical, transformative performances and emotionally layered ones. But at the 2026 NAACP Image Awards, he wasn't the mogul. He wasn't the franchise star. He was the kid who used to sneak in through the back door. What's up, y'all? He began by smiling as the crown roared. Y'all really don't understand how much this means to me. Winning Entertainer of the Year about one role, it's about impact. And Jordan's 2025 made that case very clear. His dual performance in the movie Sinners, Ryan Coogler's genre-blending thriller, showcased one of the boldest turns of his career, playing twin brother navigating morally fractured town. Jordan delivered two distinct emotional arcs that anchored one of the year's most talked about films. The movie dominated awards nomination and the box office conversations alike. You understand? Like, it's been one of the like
Baba, the brew Baba was
and the trailer got like
delivering
much
it.
5M like on
the brew was delivering Dwana.
Understand,
Intaka bekayenza mfethu he was able to portray two different people at once.
yeah perfectly so.
Kamnandi kanjani.
Yeah.
If ever mhlambe you were to watch mhlambe engizothi films that are including ama twins, if ever mhlambe that person kuthiwa he has to portray, he's one of the person engizothi yeah
Sure.
I'll make it number one if not number two. Because he was able to deliver two different personas at once at a same cut. Even the people on the set were able to deliver. I'm not the one who saw it. They were even fearing. I'm feeling the vibe. Now I'm seeing Mustak right now.
Sure.
Right now I'm not talking to
killed
Smo.
it.
Ndanga, he was
Everything
able
was
to convince.
just like,
Able to convince to even convince the people that you're doing the part with. Ndanga, it's take a lot of courage, take a lot of spirit, passion, and to even vision. Can I do it?
Yeah,
Can
man.
I be able to? I'll give you two people at once and you'll be shocked. And to even I'll be shocking myself now. Because now I believe he was able to confiscate in Teganje. He killed it.
And like he did a lot, like he backed a lot of awards. It was the SAG and the NAACP Image Awards of which he backed. Let me play his acceptance speech. You understand? As we move on.
Yeah. This bro is so talented and brilliant.
Sure.
Yeah. That's all I can say, man.
Multi-talented. If you can play two parts and people don't feel that it's played by the same person, yeah, people they know that it's played by you understand. The wins of movie wins. Now let's move on to the series. Ever heard of the series Adolescence, my brother? Who am I kidding? You're the one who told me about it.
I was about to correct you, my boy.
Yeah,
I was about to correct you.
The series Adolescence. Also, Adolescence.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Dominated the 2026 award season by winning the Best Limited Series at both the Critics' Choice Awards and the Golden Globe Awards, as the series was praised for intense, realistic portrayal of a 13-year-old boy, Owen Cooper, of course, accused of murder, with accolades for stars Stephen Graham and Erin Doherty. You understand?
Okay, let's not misinterpret this thing, ne?
Sure.
His real name is Owen Cooper. He's playing with Jamie Miller. His real name is Owen Cooper.
Yeah, the 13-year-old boy is Owen Cooper. I get these people. I feel like Stephen Graham and Erin Doherty, those are their real names. So they wrote the articles referring to their real names. Yeah, not
their character playing names.
But then I feel like you know how this, and of which is one interesting fact about USA movies, like being on USA movies or series or something.
Yeah,
bro, those people, like their ID names, they are solid. Let's say for an example, Dwayne Johnson. I would say about The Rock. It was his nickname, his personal nickname. And known. It was not just a character. Bo Van Damme. Vin Diesel. Like you even Vin Diesel la Fast and Furious.
The guy. Vin Diesel.
You see, like that is the thing, you know. I'm always wondering how does this thing work? Because of Mazanti, they don't have that, bro. We don't know shit about your real name. You only know the character name and then like that.
Done.
But it's flip when you go overseas. Like you know
your personal government.
Exactly, name. Like Kevin Hart. Like I feel like again it's that opportunity of the awesome movies whereby the bros, like they act with their names as they are. But then but regardless, this niggas like each and every, like it's fine.
Less than 10% though. 1 time, 2 time, then you're done.
You understand?
Most cases you'll be giving some character name, but people will know you from like, that's the guy I know. Sure. His real name is this.
Sure.
Taking from example. This is just a common example. Yes, you know. Game of Thrones, main character, Jon Snow. Sure. We don't know his real name. Most people by Ashinji, even if they narrate him from any movies or aliens, they call him by Jon Snow. Yeah, bro. We have that tendency, Uti. If ever you are known with this best referral character, almost the whole world is knowing you from. Like government name so it's another thing. It's a tendency within South African. That's what we do. Because I remember back then I used to watch Transport. Hey boy, movie Transport.
Sure.
The guy was calling him Transport ever since. Up until he's in cool, I was like, nah, develop Transporter because I'm from Transporter movies only.
Sure.
He's capable of doing something more other than being with Transport.
Yeah.
I want Jason Statham.
And a dog, speaking of Transporter and Dwayne Johnson, did you see like we're gonna have like Jumanji 3? They are literally shooting it right now. Jumanji 3. I saw like The Rock is always posting.
On set where he was eating.
Where he was eating. And the other part is where Kevin Hart is to get in a car, like they're squeezed in, like it's Kevin, it's of course The Rock. And it's that other girl, Elongore, she acts as the killer of men. Yeah, the killer of men. Ruby Roundhouse, the killer of men. And then Ebebalem Fana, he was not in he was like in his just character. Diamano Elongore, kana kimantwane.
Jack Black.
Nah, this frail one. You have a friend,
Oh man, it's not. Jackson. But I'm familiar with the guy.
Sure.
Yeah.
So yeah, like they are literally shooting it right. I don't know if I actually saved the video. Yeah, for you to show you, like they're actually. I was like, God damn, you're gonna have like, Jumanji 3. And not so long ago, I was watching Jumanji once again. You know,
Which one? 1 or 2?
Both of them. I have both of them.
Yeah,
I had
phela
both
vele
of them.
ngijela ukuthi walandelanisile. After watching one, he was like, let me play the second one.
Both of them. Both of them. I watched the both of them. You understand?
Okay.
So I was like, God damn, so we're gonna have like Jumanji 3. So I'm wondering when is it gonna do, because of these people most of the time, they don't necessarily post while literally on set. You understand? No, that marketing type of thing it's about to like, here is that
to grab on my fans, or to grab on my
Kevin is funny as fuck, bro.
let me see.
And I mean it. I'm fucking at my SAG rep on your ass.
Do you not have leg room back?
Yeah, it's him who check.
Fuck his leg room.
What do I do?
I don't have no fucking leg room, man.
Kevin's leg room.
Impossible. This is me and my
I don't have no fucking leg room, Jack.
Let me scooch up a little bit.
Why would you even fucking do this to me?
Who cares? Your legs are 2 feet long.
Fuck you, DJs. You guys don't know what it feels like to be jammed up.
That man will be turning to the Roku DJ. Fuck you, DJ. It's good. Like Kevin Hart is funny without making effort, bro. Like
Obvious,
literally, Kevin
obvious.
Hart is funny without making
His
effort, bro.
personality nje without a glow.
Sure.
Ends abantu bathi laugh.
Sure.
Yeah. Whenever he's always there, he's gonna make everybody laugh on set.
You understand?
Even Offset in town.
You understand?
Even Offset.
That's how
Just
it
like
works,
that.
like almost of the
Yeah.
time. Like that, he's funny. Like even in real life, like
Yeah.
like that guy is really funny. So moving on. As adolescents, here's the article from the New Times, New York, the New York New Times. Adolescence wins the best limited series. A Netflix heroine series about a 13-year-old British boy accused of killing a girl in his school became an immediate global hit last year. You understand? I need to actually check it out, bro. I'm always
Boa
looking
riding.
for like new stuff. You understand?
But you're gonna
so-
enjoy it.
So they say Wagwan now.
In that movie, mfana, not that movie, series thing, the adolescent, it's a Netflix series, people.
Sure.
If ungayazi, last time I checked, it was on season 1 and I'm episode 6. I got pelele. I got figuring out climate. We don't even know what's popping, what's gonna happen, or whatsoever. All I know is we're gonna be doing much. La people are dying, ne?
Yeah.
A revolver. A revolver through abu 13-year-old, 12-year-old, max boma 15, 16. Mara isn't it's kids doing isn't as absolute, or you wouldn't even think they're even doing it. They're even capable of doing it. Like ngokwazi kwami, untwana is very young, ubulale ibully. Like they're taking learn, it was just a bully. Mara he big what 6 feet underground, yabo.
What eliminate?
Ntwana wangadlala into esihambe seyimtracker da ukuthi the kid has gone missing.
Yeah.
So manje sebehamba amakhamera sebeyabonakala ukuthi na he was once with him.
Sure.
So uJame nabanye abangana abayi2 and alantwana lezi zokumangaza ukuthi whenever the cops are around they're running. These
Sure.
motherfuckers don't wanna be interrogated nda abafuna ukukhuluma namagata baya ukuthi ubona igata yayirun. Why ubaleka? Ngiyabaleka nje because I hate cops. That's the only reason.
True.
Mara bayazibona in real life. Nah, it's either uJame sekabanjiwe seka interrogatiwe. I'm next.
Sokuzobanjwa wena man.
Dana.
Ziyakhala
13
masukhala
years.
maketana manje.
13 years. How the fuck do you know ukuthi kahle whenever I see a cop I have to run? Because shoot, you're capable of doing something
Fucked up.
done.
That's the short definition of it. You understand?
Yeah,
So they said adolescents Netflix hero win 4-part series about a 13-year-old British boy accused of killing a girl in his school won the Golden Globe on Sunday for the best limited series anthology series on motion picture made for television. Not this Sunday, that Sunday. The series became an immediate global hit when it debuted in March, tapping into worries about the radicalization of young men and boys by misogynistic online content and revitalizing a debate in Britain about smartphone access for teenagers. You understand? Adolescents was overwhelmingly favored heading into Sunday. In September, the show won 8 out of the 13th
Repeat.
Emmy Awards. It swept 8 out of the 13 Emmy Awards.
Okay.
Damn. It was nominated for including Best Limited Series. Owen Cooper, who plays Jamie, like you said, the trouble boy at its center, won the Emmy for Best Supporting Actor, becoming at 15 the youngest ever to win that award. You understand? And here is the other intriguing factor long people might overlook. He's a supporting actor. He's not the main actor. But wenza umrevis
Ntanga, this kid is able to act. He's able to get your emotions out. Yabo makuthiwa ingane zadele angane ufila ngathi ungangena ku TV fucking
it's analele ya Home Alone
fucking nduku
awuphula tsela tsa Home Alone
no Kevin bangcono because manje ngizothini bana lokho ukuthi abazala bekho le ntwana iyadelela le ntwana le iyadelela. You're being interrogated for killing a teenager ntanga. But you're able to persuade that person who's interrogating you and make that person feel like they're small in the room, make that person cry. Dang, literal. Yo,
so the 3 adolescent actors won the awards at the Golden Globes, of which is Cooper Stephen Graham, who plays his father and created the series with Jack Thorne, and Erin Doherty, who plays the clinical psychologist Bryony Ariston. You understand?
Another fact, you're familiar with the top boy, ne?
Yeah.
The top boy guy, Kano.
Sure.
Umngani ka Kano bani? Sally.
Yeah, Sally. Sure.
Sally is the leading detective lapha. Sally. From a gangster to a detective.
Does that make sense, my brother? I need to check it out.
From black to blue.
I really need to check it out.
From black to blue.
I really need to check it out.
You're gonna enjoy that. Like, I know Gucci, you're not a fan of his intengati. Like they talk long, they make you become impatient. Fast. So, but you're gonna enjoy it, yeah. Like you're gonna enjoy it. Good, like in this generation, kids are able to kill and brag about it.
You smell me?
Kids are able to kill and just brag about it as if like yeah, and I'm like, I just killed a person. Who cares? Dang. Like they're living like the life is a mess. So I feel like Nalapan, they're trying to show us something.
That is why about so good this thing, like the article was saying, for examining those things like access to smartphone and teenagers whatsoever. So the concluding part of the article says the critic praised the show's anxiety inducing emotional tenor, aided by the fact that each episode was shot as one continuous scene. The series also earned praise for being timely exploration of the so-called monosphere and for its sensitive depiction of the vulnerable relationship between Jamie and his father. You smell me? That is the big talk series right now on the street. I think is the best series right now on the street.
In the hall.
Yeah, I understand.
Like, he's and hers, he get trended just for a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
But the adolescent was was out a few months back.
Yeah.
But then it's still hitting the top tier.
Yeah.
If you want to watch my UK Twisted Thing, you'll be able to tell it. Nah, these people are psychos. Man. They're able to deliver something. You think of this, it shows something else. At the same time, it's very intriguing because you get to learn. What if this thing was very possible? Vet?
The level of depiction is kind of crazy, huh?
Very high. Very high.
Now I smell you, man. And hey, shout outs to the win, man. That adolescence just back, man. Like I said,
being
this
young
week,
and
it's that
able
week of
to
like it's a
people
week
in
of
the
a
nominees.
week of recognition, retribution, whatsoever. You smell me?
Yeah.
But it's that week, man. Week of comeback. You understand? And while we're at that, man, while we're talking about the record, because of basically the boy Owen Cooper just broke the record about being the youngest to ever break that Emmy. You understand? It's the world record. So as we are still on the world record, my boy, we come to another world record that is broken. Another world record that was
Tell me
set.
what it is.
You understand?
Talk
Bad
to
Bunny, bro. So, Bad Bunny breaks the record of being the most watched halftime Super Bowl performance in the 2026, spanning over 4.1 million views in 24 hours across the global broadcast, the YouTube and the social media platform, setting the world's new record. Bad Bunny. The
nigga set up the record for 4.157 billion.
Yeah.
I can see I am a meter. We're not talking about millions.
Dog, we're talking billions.
Billions.
Yeah. Billions in Miami. Billions.
Billion people were able to watch him. Billion people were able to be like, nah, sayobukela ishow da. Ishow Bad Bunny halftime Super Bowl show. Many people were tuned in.
Yeah.
Ntanga lo muntu lo is able to do his and does as is so fucked up. In my head, I was able to like, was ukushaya population yakhe. Was ukushaya population yasemsawa. Was like. For me to comprehend,
holy shit.
For me to comprehend
4.1 billion. That man no shake population.
Boy.
What the hell, dog?
I was able to configure and the kandala mood na. Sikhuluma ngama million in other countries ntanga. Sawazi ukukhuluma ngo 300 and something.
Damn,
India,
bro.
320 something million people population. Sizu kwamanye amazwe like 23 point fucked up what million. Kukho lapho ngiyangezwe khona ibillion. Lo muntu uhlanganisa ama countries onke to able to configure that number. Sometimes ngibe ngifeel ngathi ibhaliwe nje kube vele no khona umuntu add those zeros.
Or jovala foga ona for DJ Kuja. Because they are too good to be true.
Mfana.
But at the same time they are true.
Yeah. Lokho ngeke ngize ngikufihla.
They are true.
Ngeke ngize ngikufihla.
You understand?
Yeah.
They are true. Too good to be true, but at the end of the day is that they are true.
Numbers like this that have been happening. But manje dawo they are too much.
You understand?
The other thing it is kawata with this guy is not an Englishman. This guy
Imagala dog wait.
Khuluma na.
4.1 billion.
4.157 Yekela 100
billion.
Yeah. Uyekela 100
4 billion 157 million.
Yeah, ngisazokutshela ukuthi yekela 157.
Demano zwaka eMexico.
Mfethu, this guy was a Puerto Rico.
Mexico. Mexico population size.
Puerto Rico.
Population.
Khuluma nami. Ungibuze, ungiphelule. Khuluma nami just smile. You just had this max smile ukuthi kuse lento engiyisho ngiyicabanga ni right.
Emla search population ena no way cover ka 150 mamanyelo
157 million.
We cover ka nobo sale. Hona le change.
Tell me about the population as Mexico.
Emapil USA. Hona talk about ona Super Bowl USA ne?
Yeah.
Super Bowl population 134 so 341 to to 343 million as of 2024 to 2025, ranking as the world's third most population in the countries. So, keep population size approximately maximum 343 million people. How kopanya harasoka retsa le half a billion ya pele dog. Wait a minute.
That's just one country.
Msawa wa daimane ke manga ka mshebela cause of Mexico. I wouldn't say it trended here
that much. At the same skating nabantu abakwazi ukufuka ngalo mjito.
What?
Ndoda wena.
This bro broke Kendrick Lamar's record, mus.
Yebo.
Like without making any without
like it ain't shit.
Yo. So here's the article. But Bad Bunny breaks records as most watched Super Bowl halftime show in history. This is Michael Jackson type shit, gang.
High story.
This is Michael Jackson type shit, gang.
High.
This is
story.
Michael Jackson type shit, gang.
In the
What
history.
the guan?
In the industry of the Super Bowl thing.
What the guan, bro?
Big statement.
So they say Bad Bunny has reportedly broken the record for the most watched Super Bowl halftime show in history of all histories. Bad Bunny said was watched live by 135 million 135.4 million. 135.4 million. Live.
One country was watching it live. And so you think like I'm kidding, mangiti. If ever everybody is able to break a record kanje, meaning ningane iphume nama implant nama device afuna ukubuka
Bapeti ama gadgets babuku Bad Bunny.
I wanna watch Bad Bunny. Yeah.
Bunny's set was watched live by 135.4 million people around the world, with the 31-year-old Puerto Rican rapper Puerto Rican rapper and a singer headlining the special concert during the NFL showpiece on Monday as he embraced his Latin roots. Amid criticism from U.S. President Trump and some right-wing commentators, that's just north of the 133.5 million viewers pulled in by Kendrick Lamar for last year's halftime show. Yo, in 2024, Usher was watched by 129 million, and previous year Rihanna 121 you. Meanwhile, Apple Music, which sponsored the performance, has revealed data showing how halftime show was prompted a surge in people streaming Bad Bunny's song. The playlist of his setlist became the most played on the platform shortly after the show. Yun trailer on the which of album after.
Yeah.
While
That's
he landed
true
23 songs in Apple Music daily top 100 global chart, which included 9 in the top 25 and 5 in the top 10, while the DTMF rose to the top of the ranking. Apple Music and Beats Vice President Oliver Schuster says in the statement they have had the pleasure in working with Bad Bunny since 2016, I mean to say, and watching him grow into a massive global superstar has been incredible and exciting, but not all surprising. Damn.
They just gave this nigga
So
a decade.
Puerto Rico nje la shaker ushake umhlaba. Like that's in 24 hours.
Yeah.
Like live, dog. He broke the record from live.
Yeah.
After live, while breaking ukuthi astream kuma
All the
global
platform.
broadcast, buma YouTube, buma
Yeah.
social media. You
In less than
understand
24
me?
hours untanga
What the fuck, dog?
umhlaba ngathi enye into.
Yo, social media works somehow, my dog.
Having
Algorithm and something. Lo
4 billion.
muntu, that day he surpassed Mr. Beast.
Yeah.
I
That's a
think he
fact.
even surpassed the viewing rate or the trending rate of the Beast games. Like whatever the episode, whether it was the first, the last, the whatsoever. I don't think there's any episode of the Beast games that has ever ranked such crazy like number. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure.
This is
I'm
Super
not sure. We need to
Bowl,
fact
my
check
boy.
it, but this is Super Bowl.
obvious kumele kuhlokoma uthi kuhlokoma ini ubukela abantu beshaya.
Damn, son. Damn, son. Nah, it's crazy, my dog.
Gabi.
Nah, it's crazy,
Gabi.
my dog.
And there's nothing in fact singathi singakhala ngayo because
Sure.
I'm not even sure with what's going on here. You were telling me ukuthi each and every year we're gonna be having a headlights kanje because Kendrick wasn't even on the picture. Once he performed, breaking record. Bad part.
Yeah.
We don't recognize him in the picture.
So
after
last year,
whatever, no.
But this shit is crazy, dog. So last year there was a world record set. This year there's a new
Another
record set.
new world record
Like,
set.
The consecutiveness, like how consecutive.
my record set.
Like
Ungitshela ukuthi ayikho
the
checked.
proximity of this thing, like this year, next year, like bro, it's crazy.
Okay.
Like it's crazy, my dog.
Yeah.
But it's the entertainment industry, small.
What
It's
can we
the
say?
media. And
What
while
can
we
we
at
say?
media, my dog, let's come back to South A.
Okay,
What's happening with Nakwida, dog?
Funny who? Sorry.
What's happening with
Funny
Nakwida, dog? Trending for Nyash. What's happening, dog?
Situation kana Nakwida.
Yeah.
It's not nice to be a female and trend ngenyash. It's not nice.
Here, no Puma take.
Jokes aside, I think mara
Makwenza ma PBL.
sekaishayile PBL.
Haibo.
Yeah. After kudaklwana no Bruce uhambile wayishaya PBL. See South Africa, see country. We're wondering what besokwazi ukuhlanganisa you able to collect all the 10Ks bulokhu hustlisha wona laphana ku internet because beka hustlish on the internet she was selling ass for 10K.
What?
Ngiyakutshela. Facts.
My brother, is this allegedly or is facts?
Mawungibona ungibulali noma ungithumelela amaphoyisa, it's something that it's being said. Angimfaka allegedly because nama videos engiwabonile. Wena you familiar with open chats?
Yeah, me
Bayikhuluma ku open chats. Chomi, you are selling Chomi. Boom. Selling, yes.
Damn.
Nakwida is selling yes for 10K.
Wait a minute. So you wanna tell me for our brother, our
Chief,
comrade?
I'm not even done.
He was touching where like.
I'm not done though. Ntanga, there's a story. I was confirmed.
So there was renting his assets while he was.
There was a story. I was confirmed. Before speaking, some 10K is his latest thing.
Damn.
In a story that worked to Nakwida was once selling 1 or 17K.
What?
She did confirmed it. Washugutia guy bought her a ticket, some letter to the place. They book a rent, the return apartment for the source cut less. So 1 round was finished. Then the guy wanted the second round, and he was like, "If you want a second round, put another 17K, then we can get it." So in the end, the brew, the African brew.
My brother.
I don't want to say much. The African brew missed all those stories when he was dating the chick.
And then he loved it over there.
Yeah,
He loved it over there.
Begumnandi sharing his
He
cake.
what?
Sorry.
Not for me.
Sorry,
dog.
phela for bona.
What?
That's all I can say. Ngeke uzungitshela ukuthi right now if ever my claims like this bazothi yeah Bruce settled for less because Nakwida said
Oh,
hey
hold
baba
on.
look no.
Dog, wait a minute.
Get the
so
story.
this actually like confirms for it. The brew had an idea because of I remember like on this thing it was kind of like trending. You understand?
Ntanga.
It was trending on like Facebook.
had-
I saw a screenshot.
he
I think
had
it's
to
like from X, where they were talking about. There was like. So Bruce actually posted himself with his latest girlfriend. You
Yeah.
understand?
Sure.
So people was like, you downgraded, blah blah blah, yada yada yada, wara. You understand?
Bling, bling, nah, what?
And then the brew, he slapped back by saying, it's better to downgrade than to share. Holy fuck.
You've just cracked it, my boy.
Women will do you bad, bro.
You've just cracked it, my boy.
In a heartbeat,
Just
bro.
a simple thing. Mina into engikutshela yona ngithi leyo. Lento ibonile yona. So the nigga knew. I'm tapping, I'm clapping. That's my ring. That's my queen. My queen is my queen is even. It's more of like in fact. Okay, big up. It's more of like this. You get a Han. The Han is doing isn't also good. I'm doing content even if it's explicit content or nanomain whatever they are doing. Mara you get a Han as good. I'm doing my job. This job is providing me bread. I won't stop whether you are here or not.
Sure.
Ntana mhlawumbe umshanga leyo ngqeqo.
Sure.
Mhlawumbe mina ngiyadayisa noma kuthiwa khona noma ukho. Anginendaba nenyama yakho.
It's my bread. I'm getting the bread. I'm getting the burg. Babathi.
I want a I want a bourbon.
Ayangeke.
Bourbon bag.
Ayangeke.
I want a Chanel Gucci.
Ayangeke ntwana.
A iPhone 17 Pro Max lifestyle. And I'm getting it for myself. It's whether you are in it or out about it.
Ayangeke uma sharing isikhere mina.
Untwana wethu
zwana.
Hayi man. Mhlambe ngiyasayiveka. Pokoto lihlalo lilithi. The chick is able to get there.
But we can say whatever that we can say, but then I still remember this episode from the New Gen that I actually watched. I remember, bruh, vividly. The brew was like, the brew left it over there. Even on the episode, I remember the brew was like,
I do remember.
I still love her.
I would go back.
Go back.
Yeah, if ever an opportunity might show, I will go back.
Nigga.
Yeah, I do remember that episode, my boy. Yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is. Mina into ngizokutshela yona ukuthi nje noma kuthiwa jokes aside, pride aside, as a G, you can never do it like that. As a G, if ever this is a wife or a girlfriend material, ntanga, for us to
that
see
woman has to be special, man.
Ntanga, for me, ukuthi ngifike kuwe ngibona ukuthi your chick is lit, your chick is a lit chick ukuthi in future ngizobe ngikushayela izandla ngithi my boy, yeah, bangiphuce wena as a friend, mara ngiyajabula ukuthi you've gained a lifetime partner. La mntwana loyana if ever ngafika ku wena nje ngakutshela nje straight ndekuse kwesha. This one is an unwinnable one. Kwesha. Either way you're gonna lose. Umntwana ozokutshela ukuthi uyakwazi ukusecure bag by herself using her body. Hey, way. Mfana kwesha, slice, don't mize ukuthi uthanda uthini
but hands
lento yokuthi hey love is blind inhliziyo la iphakela. We know it's
sometimes
true.
Marandanga, you know, there's one thing I will tell you, ne?
Yeah.
You know, when it comes to this relationship thing, niggas, girls, whatsoever, us blaming girls blaming us, whoever getting in the cycle. But at the end of the day, bro, I feel like we allow shit to happen. True. As far as you can say, like dog, that is one thing I always say and emphasize to you, my boy. Yeah. A pattern. There's always a fucking pattern, bro. A pattern.
Iqala kubani iphela kubani.
Uyabona.
Iyohlala yenze.
You will like ekasere no uche namfethu monna wayetseba tsela e tloa monana yang UFS E1. Yeah. Wantshwa ha o tloa mo phuthaso E1 unless what I put but from Shell to UFS E1 unless o le stupid batla khutlela mra. You understand? True. The next thing how bona something going down that road and expect from more apraga da ba tlo bana le tsele le ngore no tsena ya bridge e says off ramp by Isa Mambos, things will change. That's crazy, dog. That's crazy. Like, you know, there's this other video that I saw, like it was so fictional. Have you ever like thought like closely about the idea of trying to change a person and you will come to realize for how stupid that is? Ndang. To change a person, like you cannot change never. A person. But it will change whatever. Dog, you cannot change a person. Like, dog, have you ever realized how tough it is for you to change yourself, your own habits? Fun. So
to maintain yourself right now.
How the fuck is that going to be possible to change a person, bro? That is why it's always important to spot a pattern, bruv. Spot a pattern. See, like for me, conclusions. I don't expect it. What's the problem? Yeah, some of the brews they expect kiona phenomenon delusion is gonna be different, is gonna change. Then kaboom. We told us like a situation here. While the situation it was already
saw it from afar.
You saw it from afar, but you told yourself.
Good now.
Not me. You understand? It wouldn't.
Why happen. Not you? What's special about you?
Just
Chief, I've been always saying Lento Leguti. We are humans. Species.
Yeah.
We are species. As much as singasizi lezi kuthiwa singama-herbivores, carnivores, whatsoever, sikwazi ukuphila as we are own turbulence, we are own rulers of ourselves.
Sure.
So we are species.
Yeah.
Human beings just to outsource nje lento yokuklasa. Hey baba siya angeke.
Yeah, there are certain
Angeke.
patterns of features born and now go to these things sometimes they belong in the jungle. You understand?
Yikho ngisho ukuthi angeke.
But anyway, they will say we hate women, but
Yeah,
anyway,
hey,
we always tell the truth.
And the truth hurts.
Truth hurts
Gabi.
all the goddamn time,
Gabi,
bro.
all the
goddamn
time.
Like to show you a notion that women are really fucked up. Like you would like how women are, bro. Women are so fucking fucked up, and this thing with Banaga, women, they are always attracted to niggas who always seem to have their own grind, who they mind their own shit. But that is just a delusion, a lust, exactly. When they come across to experience such a person, they cannot handle that particular person.
Yeah, outcome yakho is very different from what you've thought.
You understand?
Yeah.
Like you never like configure. Like, and this thing is so evident. But again, the reason why I'm talking about this for women,
Preach.
when you are at your peak,
Yeah.
like you will attract a dozen of them. Like when you got your own grind, when you are locked in,
You're
like
in
they
the
will
bag.
try to come in your life. And
Yeah.
trust me, my dog, they're only coming for one thing. They're about to fuck up your life. They're
Yeah.
about to fuck up your grind.
Yeah.
That's one thing that women do, bro.
Examples were set with family.
What Gigi has done to our boy KC 3000, Kaiser Nat.
Yeah.
Like our nigga has taken a break ever since Mafia Ton. That bro has never end. When was Mafia Ton 3, dog?
Ntwana, it blew
When
out
was
like
Mafia
hell.
Ton 3? It was, I think, September. October,
September.
around October, November. They say
Yo, it was
Mafia Ton
down.
3,
It
dog.
was down.
You understand? Like it was done. The brew ever since from 10. After 10, well, mhlambe there was a honeymoon.
Even
phase, nyana, but
encouraging is done and it's telling us that you need to focus on your mental health.
you understand? Like,
Why?
here is one thing that women they don't understand, bro. Even though they might say niggas are men are dogs,
Yeah.
whatsoever, and when, but that's rubbish because of they never realize how deeply niggas get attached, especially when a nigga considers you as that woman, that
Mpana.
girl.
Like Uma
These
ride or
motherfuckers,
die.
they don't know the type of attachment that
My ride or die
like,
thing.
like that is built because of why am I saying this? Like it's quite evident. Like when dog, a girl can move on from a relationship as simple as ABC. These things are quite trashy. You understand?
Ngene tuck shop ungithenga ichappies. Simple as that.
Simple as that. That's how girls move. But as for niggas, dog, it's more of like niggas, they have that type of thing of attachment of building. But they envision, they visualize. That is the thing. You
Yeah.
understand? They visualize, they already have like they reminisce that type of thing for okay, fashion. This woman,
You
this
see
is the woman.
yourself.
Here's the thing: when a nigga settle for a girl, they don't see a girl as they see a woman that I can build
Mfana.
with. This motherfuckers,
Yeah.
the only thing that they see a nigga that I can push with, have sex with, this nigga that I can climb with.
Mntwana
That's
isparki usithatha kumntwana u5 umenza u10.
Yo.
Yeah.
That's one thing that I used to tell you for a talk.
Yeah.
We are calling ukuthi as umshita. Ube 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
You got your aura.
Yeah.
And then ubambe ingane your 5 out of 10.
Yeah.
And bring her to a 10 out of 10 because of that girl is seen through your lens.
Mfana.
And if you keep pouring your energy to that person, she's going to retain that aura. And
Gabi.
trust me, what's going to happen to you is same as
Yeah.
Ntando and Best type of situation. You smell me?
Mfana.
That's what's gonna happen because that's what they good for. They suck the
They
aura, they
suck it
suck
up.
the aura. After they suck the aura, they look grimy and shiny. Then
Yeah.
the motherfuckers they forget because of niggas they will never consider for that person shine because of that guy. But they just see that they wanna go for that. And as normal as we all say, women will do you bird in a
Gabi,
heartbeat. You understand? Like quick, fast. They would leave you for a better man.
Gabi.
They would leave you for a better life.
And kurre ukuthi uthola umuntu owaziyo ukuthi uzokutshela kusena mina ngidleli regardless ukuthi uyaphusha impilo ayikabi grand, it's fine.
Very.
Ntwana,
One in a bazillion. That's why I always say mamtolile keep it, because of wasatha lento lezi, they only care about how you make them feel.
Ntwana.
That's how like
relationship is manje saying it's a job.
Yeah,
you need to provide something.
It's a beneficial like arrangement.
Yeah, it's an arrangement.
It's an arrangement. It's a beneficial arrangement. Someone has to benefit. I have to feel this way. If you don't make me feel this way, then it's child.
Yeah. There's something for me. What something?
You understand? It's crazy, and they don't reciprocate this past days. But then anyway, I see what happened, man.
Anywho.
KC 3000, as we was talking about him, bruv, the brew announced the date. He is coming
Chief,
back.
Refer. Who is KC 3000?
Oh, Kai Cenat. KC 3000, aka Kai Cenat, man, is coming back to the streaming world.
Most people
finally he has recovered from women's syndrome. You understand? The brew is the brew is coming back. You understand? The brew is finally coming back right now. You understand?
Yeah.
So yeah, man, it's coming back. He posted the date. It's coming back to like, and the brews have been crying. The brews have been trying to contact him. I think like it's tough to contact, but then. Anyway, it was not just all about women. Sis Batliza Gakulu. The brew was actually, he took some time off from the streaming industry.
It is because he was persuading his dreams.
He was persuading his dreams. Like I was saying, he was focused on, because he has branched into fashion world. Now he has ventured into the fashion world. And he's opened a luxury brand called the Vivid. You understand? Yeah, Vivid. So the brew has been like cooking. All of this time, it was not just all about that, but then it also helped to be some sort of like a distraction, nor a remedy, nor a medication of sort that
do something that
and heal from
makes
that
your mind be at peace. Do something that without it you'll never live. Do something that
not something that will turn on you at any given time.
But regardless of whatever I'm doing, I'm always happy. I'm always at peace. So I will also say siyabonga Kai for just giving us a glimpse ukuthi women will never be satisfied.
Holy, and he showed us. Like even the niggas, how they were going at her after that boo of that thing. The people like, they was like, dog, you got the best nigga. Women will never be satisfied. It's either you can have the best nigga, a nigga who's locked in, nigga who's famous, nigga who's got it. Women will never be satisfied. Abazi bafuna lento lezi, dog. They don't know what they want.
That's all I can say.
They don't know what they want. Women are just confused, bro.
These species, they don't have a vision. They don't have a drive.
They
are hopping on a moving train.
Esihamba nayo leya sishiya injalo ukuthi oil lesalikha lapha yalidinga unqedwe
or it's based on what it's trying to change bayandlula, and whenever so grind so udlula 100 so ukuthi it's 100.
You highlighted the crazy fact, fam. You highlighted credits for thank you Kai for showing us that women ukuthi you focus on, bro. Like there was this other post, this guy that was bebamkhuza with social media when he was like on X, but he was like focus on you, bruh, build yourself first and then women will come after. And then there's a bro who commented, he was like, go a coming way, buy happy. Yeah, exactly, buy happy.
Yeah, stop.
I'm not building myself, bro, for women.
Stop there.
I'm not like putting all the effort working on myself so that I can say
appreciate
women ni happy, ni happy, uza bayapi, women after bayapi, dog, uyapi. Where are you going?
Stay in your lane. Focus on what you're doing.
I'm doing what I'm doing because of like dog, like you see, they didn't eat Wednesday, they don't for it. Even no you hustle, women will come after. Even when they come, they will never be satisfied.
Chief, I'm here to take the riches. I don't care about anything. I don't care about your feelings. Bro, I don't care about you loving me. Who the fuck
love
are you?
Love does not exist.
Who the fuck
love
are you?
It's an illusion. Ain't nobody going out there offering love, bro. Everybody wants to benefit something, so love is fake.
Tang.
I'ma be
It's
honest
all
with you.
about the paper and the riches and that.
Dog, it's about the benefit, how you make each other's feel. Once that shit stops, bro, it fades away, and that shit ain't love, bro.
Meaning
It ain't love.
we're in a mutual relationship. We had to understand one another at some point.
You understand? But
And we
anyway, like you said, bro, like shout outs to Kai for showing us that even if you got it, my brother, you gotta keep on focusing on you. You understand? Don't go for like dog. Right now, I always say for it. But then here's the other thing. I say the right woman will find you, but then at the same time, I do not agree with that notion because of I'm like, if love fails to find me on my broke days, my nigga.
Why
the
made if you get
moment
into the rich
when
days?
I start getting stacked up, my nigga, love
Yeah.
should forget.
Yeah.
You smell me.
Why made if you get
Love
masiseng pounds a
should
bank?
forget. Love should fucking forget, dog. Love should fucking forget, my dog.
Yeah.
I do not wanna lie.
Mfana.
Like, dog, if it doesn't find me
Bye.
right now, like, love should forget
Bye.
about me, dog. I'm not even gonna try to find it, and I'm not even gonna entertain it because of, like, that's not love.
Contemplating for uthando whenever I'm broke.
Let's
I
be
can
honest,
do
dog.
it.
Kaufela mawuthanda
Mara
ukuthi-
masiseng rich yinto esizongisiza.
Dog, let's be honest. All the bros who found real love, when did they found it? Like, let's say for an example,
Back in
a
high
perfect
school
example,
days.
Nasty C.
Back in high school
High school
days.
love, just like you. 6 months.
Yeah.
6 months. You are the person who's actually winning in the room.
Yeah.
6 months. Pretty ugly.
Yeah.
So I don't believe for an encounter nyana ta kopana le yona no tsena nyana.
We're pushing love. We're pushing.
I don't believe in
About
that.
push manje, they're not pushing love.
They are not pushing like dog. Yes, that's the other notion that I once said the statement already. I don't remember this person, but they said like, dog, if you have failed to say, I think it was Nota. He was like, if you failed to secure love at your high school age, just know that it's chai. After high school, there's no love at varsity because of varsity. All these girls, it's where they like go into a stage of racking up their body counts. Hey,
Gabi,
like they rack up their body counts. But anyway, it's part of the drill. You understand? So he was like, "Yo, dog,
Yeah.
if you fail to secure your high school lover." Love at your high school is like high school stage. Love at the high school level, my boy. Like, forget about it. Like, just consider it like it's shy. If you haven't secured love at those times, if how high school like no, and
You
like,
will
never, you will never find love because
never
of
find
at that
inner
stage.
peace.
Transition how you guys manage to tolerate each other in regardless of whatever. No, chena on tolerate fully developed or all have baked, but then banana you learn about selfish half baked, but you want a fully baked nigga. Like, what the fuck is that? You are half baked, but you want a fully baked nigga. You can't go like, it's a waste of time right now, my dog. I don't want to lie. That is why in varsity their best option is to rack up their body counts. You remember? No, like, not to be rude or whatsoever. Like, we're stating facts. Like, dog, they rack up their body counts because of like even niggas there, like they know for a. You smell me? For you cannot pursue here. You cannot pursue. Like when I like say like okay,
Yeah.
again. You smell me. You smell me.
Yeah.
But anyway, it is what it is, bro. It is what it is.
What it
Impilo
is.
angeke sikhona ukuthi siyicontrol.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sishaye ngama controller.
No,
my dog. It cannot go like that. It cannot go like that, my brother. You smell me, but
We're
anyway,
blessed
man,
in
it is
different
what it is.
directions,
You
in
got
different
anything
ways.
to add on as you have come to the conclusion on the
No.
episode? You smell me.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share. Tell nabangani bakho basibuke. This is the Safe Room Podcast.
You smell
Danke.
me.
Siyabonga.
Where your thoughts are safe
Yebo.
and sound.
Talk to us.
Nobody will attack you.
Sizokhuluma
You
nawe
get one of the
be.
latest scoop.
Yebo.
With the entertainment grind, you smell me. But anyway, man, shout
Anytime.
out for tuning in on today's episode. Siyabonga guys for
Yes.
ukuthi nisi support. You guys are really
Regardless.
really important. You smell me. You guys are very important to
Without
us.
you, we are
Without
nothing.
you, we are not grinding.
Without
They-
you,
we are
we are
grinding for
nothing.
us. So
Yeah,
right now you are the
yeah,
people
yeah.
that we have to give you something. You smell me?
Okay.
Anyway, it's the Safe Room Pod. You know, man, it's your boy Sizzla Eka, see the Sizzla guy, aka Foxy. You know what it is, man. Right here with me is a co-host with the most dangerous.
Doing
Smart.
the most.
That's how we're doing it. Sign it out.
Salute.
We out.
Yeah.